with Bill again today, Bill Nicholls, News with Nicholls, and we have a question from one of our Facebook fans. You can find us at iupat.canada. With our new benefit payment plan, how is it fair that if I work more than someone else, that means I pay more for the plan, but we have the same coverage? Bill, can you explain this a little better?
Well, really, you don't pay more. It's like any other insurance. We have in our collective agreements an hourly rate that goes to your benefits on behalf of our collective agreement through our employers association to our administrator. The cost of the plan is the cost of any other sort of insurance. There's a premium attached to it. But if you work on a monthly basis, and let's, for example, you work 4 straight weeks at 160 hours, that's 40 hours a week, the premium and the cost of that particular plan is 110 hours. So that means there's 110 hours deducted from your 160 hours, leaving you what we call an hour bank of 50 hours. Now, you may work more than the next guy, but at the same time, you're accumulating more hours in your hour bank. So when you're not employed, you can use those extra hours to pay the premiums for your benefits. And I think what's most important, you can get a whole lot more of this information if you were to attend the union meetings and speak to one of the representatives and be in the group of people where everyone might be asking the same question, or at least asking other questions that might be of your best interest. So attend your meetings.
Another particular question pertaining to this very same train of thought is, we hear that what are the wage differences between a union and a non-union job, and is there really that big of a difference? Yes.
A qualified worker versus an unqualified worker can be significant, be as much as 30 to 40 to 50%, depending on the hours that have been worked in the trade, depending on the trade. And when you add on benefits on top of those good wages, then yeah, it's about 35 to 37% difference. So it's very important that you go out, and if you're going to have a career in a particular trade, and in particular an IUPAT trade, that you're making the best possible dollars that you can possibly make for the use of your skill sets. And so it's extremely important to be covered in benefits, having good wages, and knowing your health and safety.
Thank you very much, Bill. We look forward to our next session with you next week.
You're welcome.
Have a wonderful day.